Good morning, family and friends. Today is February the 2nd, 2021, and the hospital doctors decided to induce my labor. I am 38 weeks and I believe 4 days. So now we're just waiting for our beautiful son to get here. But the morning is starting out pretty crazy. I just want to let me tell you guys what's going on. We had an appointment at 7:30 this morning, and my husband right there, and it's literally 8 o'clock. So we're running a little late, which is okay because we left out at 6:50. And we tried to use a different vehicle, which turned out to be too much snow in the alleyway, and we wound up getting stuck in the alleyway. So now we're out front trying to shovel the snow out from the truck. We're going to give it a try to go in the truck. We didn't want to take the truck originally because in case we had an emergency C-section. I know that I didn't want to climb in and out of the truck. But, we'll do what we have to do. Get this process started. Okay, I think he's ready. Okay, well, if anything, I'll give you guys an update when we get to the hospital.